Age of 18, police lock me up and dash me in a cell. Big up the police near Mux. And him save me from hell. As man a survivor, man a born fighter, yeah. All real get on youth, salute, strike up on a lighter. Man a born fight, you see me? Nearly get caught up in that badness. My sister, baby, father, brother see me and say that I'm madness. That was my wake up call. If me never answer, me would have dead her. You see me? Man a survive. Alright son. I know that son.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. Welcome, my families. Yeah, I'm lion, I'm a lioness. I hope all is well, big up on the jam self, see me? Yeah, I'm there, come off of the old slavery, you know? Another day, you see it? Night is drawing nigh. I wish I give thanks to the rising. Anyone in the big up on the jam self, I don't know, what love and appreciation, you know? Prince! Big up yourself, Prince. Welcome to the family. I don't know Prince, the butcher. The shake, saying, hey, you can check out Prince meat shop in Peckham, you know? Mad, you know? Soon I can see what I go on, you know? Big up yourself, Prince. Big up yourself, Jay. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I don't know. I want to give a shout out to William. William is a fan. Dep on the work today and thing, and the man drive past and stop me and say, wait, yo, you're a YouTuber? I say, yeah man, Lionfoot. The man say, yo, watch your thing, you know. Keep up the great work. I say, subscribe. I say, no, I'm not subscribe, but watch your thing then, man. I say, give thanks, man. You see, so William, big up yourself, Papa. Big up yourself. Thanks for the support. See me? Done. When you're ready for subscribe, just click the bell too. You see it? Yeah, man, big up yourself. I honor that. Say it? Guidance and protection. William. Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, you know? Yeah, man, you don't know the options. It's yours when you're ready. See? No, I'm just going to go home and think and somehow what a reason, you know? See? About some of my past experience, you know? Like in Jamaica, where I almost went to prison. Well, jail. See? Police locked me up for something that I didn't do. See? A robbery. And I saw most ghetto youths end up in a jail. Sometimes them like, got framed, got accused wrongly. Police just want to punish somebody because they not catch the real culprit. See? So we're going to know what's going on, but we have to pay the bills. See? Alright. Let's say one greetings. I don't know a Lionfoot. Where I see the image of your voice, in your ears and eyes. Yo, I come to tell you about Taste of Caribbean restaurant. Yo, and them I do it fully refurbished, fully up fully beautiful. Yo, me say them cook some nice food. They say different menus. Yo, them have some natural juice. You say I don't know spirit and alcohol. Dead. If you want to go chill out and have a nice breakfast, a nice lunch, or a nice dinner, trust me, you can't lose. A sure winner. Yeah, man, just roll out and go chill out with the Empress, or Empress go roll out with the King, and all have vibes. Yeah, man, you don't know all them taste, them patty. Yo, the patty nice and full of spice. Cheese and peas. And me telling about Taste of Caribbean. Them located at 207 Riley Lane, opposite the Asda. You can't miss it. Yeah, man, you don't know I sip on weekend too. Them play some nice music. Friday, Saturday. Vibes. Yeah, man, nice music, man. You fully enjoy yourself. Go and check them out. 207 Riley Lane. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know. I check out the restaurant there, you know? Mad. Peckham Riley Lane. Zane? Now my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. So back in my youth, 18 years old, you know? Don't know me I play business house football. Left, you know me left Dunoon, got Dunoon, didn't graduate because mama couldn't afford the graduation fee and all of those stuff, you know. Things were really bad. Yeah, man, and reach out to some family member, America, didn't get no help. You see me? Yeah, man, so my song Who Feels It Knows, a real story, everything that real, and that's what my mother went through, and enough more things, enough more tales. You see me, so maybe the next song, you know, them get a story, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to hear it soon still, you see me? But yeah, man, back in 1996, 18 years old, you know. Do the maths if you don't want to know my age, you know, is it? Yo! Yeah, man, so me there, I watch netball match, you know, with the girls in the area. I play a netball match. I did there, I watch. Big crowd and everything, and my mother called me, said, dinner ready. You see me? Go up on my yard and thing and sit down on the table and I eat. Big up Bukaruna, big up Didnt, big up Dodos. You see me, big up Didi, you know? Desperado crew, you see me? Yeah, man. So, big up Steve Green too, yeah, man. Big up Steve Green. Big up Adam, you see me? Yeah. So, I see the book now and in it round the table I eat, you know. So, police raid the place now. Police raid the place and kick off every door. Running out of the house and with a local youth. Seeing a youth drive a bed van. And we said them just robbed the bed van and youth said me, you know, because apparently one of the person in have a plaid shirt and me have a plaid shirt too. But a different type of plaid shirt. I know the person with it. After that we are here from the shout I would do it, but now calling names, see me? Yeah. So anyway the police them say take me out of my house star and so I go to jail. We me gone to one space station now, lock me up in the cell and thing and you see me? Boy them say me I go to prison. And I say me sit to the youth say me rob you. Me rob you. I get mad in and the police boy puff my chest, you know. And I say boy stop your eyes, you're bad man. I say boy stop tell lie for me man and talk the truth. Me rob you. Look for me good. Me. I say yeah you in a plaid shirt. They are fret, you know. Hours after now, they and Ox come in, you know, bad boy police, Ox, big up Ox, cause Ox know me well, you know. I work opposite my company, opposite Unspace Station, CMP, seen Caribbean Metal Products. We used to make UPVC windows and metal windows them like where the bank door and the window them. Yeah, we travel all over Jamaica, go put them in. Make them and then we go install them, you know. You see me? Yeah man. Big up Zoom. See? So anyway, we then in the cell for a couple hours and thing. I was see Ox come in now and say, couple man there. Because during the time they are waiting and them have me locked up in there, you know. So them are gonna run them process now and thing and you see when next brother come in, some next the police coming with a youth, say wanted for murder, him brother point him out. The youth were dead, brother point him out, himself peanut and them things up on the street. So yes, police and say, yeah man, you know how long you want him. So the youth point him out and say him kill him brother and them all up on him bring him in. So Ox come in now. Burn at the 5 bells, burn at the 6 bells. Yeah, roughly around them time there. And so I say, where him there for? About 3 of we in our cell now, you know. Man, they say, yo, him there for murder, him there for robbery, rob the bread van. That's me, you know. Yo, I tell you something, I'm full of tears, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. You see? Never crying on my yard, it's full of tears still, you see me? So, yo, I see Ox start beat. Bloom. Next, and the boy will commit the murder and the murderer, allegedly, at the time. But it sounded like I was true still because the way I talk and I answer certain questions and everything there. You see me like him, they do the crime and run, you know, cut. But you would see him, you come back in the area and you would see him and point him out, you see me? So that go on, so. Yeah! You see me? Yeah, you would see him and point him out and boom bam. You almost say him get some liquid handcuff behind him there, see man. Brother, me, my viewers and subscribers, I see dust fly. So when I see police beat man with the big book, my witness then sitting there, the man get beaten with the big book, he get beaten with the baton. Yo, then deal with him wicked, man cry like a baby. And my daddy I said, blood Jesus, me next to blow out. Yo, tears start run out of my eye. When Ox are next, I'm going there. Ox, wait, where you are there? Mr. Papa, you got to talk that cry. You see me? Not telling a lie. Zine. I'm going to explain to you. The man said, oh, no, pull him handcuff, man. The man said, pull him handcuff. The man said, the man is working, man. Working class youth. What they say the man work? The man don't rob nobody. Every day I at the bar, I drink with them, you know. I bury the bar, you know. You see me? But a 3 mile lesson, every day we did I drink with them. Then I'm a young boy, I drink rum and milk. You see me? Hard. Beer, rum and milk, me drink. You see me? I'm Magnum and then sitting there because I make money. You see me? From football, from work, same way. You see me? And also, you know, hustling on the side, windows and them things, they look hustling. Them time, you see me? I'm a cha-cha boy. 18, you see me? I say, no man, them man are working man, them man are, you see me? Yo, I tell you, say, so I say people wicked, and son of innocent you go to jail. I in a jail up to today, I do lie for how much years, and they didn't commit a crime. Some people just wicked, because them can't catch a person who do it, them point out somebody else and say, them. I know that them time in Jamaica, I have no evidence to prove, or forensic, or something to say, yo, I never you see me? Dog, name your supper. So, God was on my side, and, you see me? Big up Ox again. Yeah, man, big up Ox again, man. In a 2009, no, 2009? Yeah, I think of 2009. I got a car wash, Bounty Killer always there, you know? And thing, and see Ox there, I play that, you know. With him big matic on the table. The man look miserable and cross, because I know enough to put up on them on the shoulder up and him gun, you know. Yeah, but I say, Uncle Ox! So wait, youth. Where you know you're from? I say, Payland man, CMP. Man say, wow, go on, where you that? I say, yeah, man, that foreign man, you know. Yeah, man. They and B2 juice, you know. Now the car wash and thing, and kill and all of them there. You see me, but I sure I say, yo, I saw enough people go to jail, my viewers and subscribers, and that was one of my testimony. And I have enough more, you see me? Enough more, I don't know, I can share it with you now and then, so but it does my whole vibe, you know. Big up on yourself and anyone in the guidance and protection. See it? Yeah, man. Be good, stay good, help someone if you can. You know what I mean? And righteousness is the way. You see it? Cool shots. I'm out.
Make you praise me. Me feel like you are command me.